We have Nail from France.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaykum salam.
So I know that we shouldn't sit or stay with people that are mocking Islam. And but my question is, as I live in a Kafir country and I go to a Kafir school, sometimes when I am in class, people are starting to make a joke about Islam. But I can't go away from the class, so I would like to know if it is an act of kufr to not say anything when they are making joke, and so I cannot leave.
As mentioned in Surah An-Nisa, chapter 4, ayah number 140, that whenever they mock Islam or the religion or the rituals, then you have to leave them. Otherwise, you will be classified like them. So, number one, the best thing to do is to defend Islam by stopping them from mocking Islam and telling them that this is disrespectful, and if you can answer their doubts and mockery with facts, and this requires that you research your own religion, research their religions, and show them that this is also applicable, and open their eyes with diplomacy and respect, that is fine. If you're unable to do this, you have to leave them until the class starts, where the teacher starts to talk and they would shut up. Bin Saeed from Algiers.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
So my question is, like, if someone mocked Islam and I was there, so is it permissible to advise him, like, kindly, like smile in his face and just say that this is haram and this should, or should I be like, I should be harsh with him?
No, you should not be harsh unless harshness is rewarded by Sharia. So the Prophet ﷺ used softness and kindness, and also used harshness. He used harshness in very particular incidents where his companions were knowledgeable and close to him and would not be negatively affected, like in the case of Abu Dharr, may Allah be pleased with him, when he said to Bilal, "You are a son of a black woman," which is a racist comment. The Prophet said, "You are a man of ignorance. إِنَّكَ امْرُؤٌ فِيكَ جَاهِلِيَّةٌ." When he took the ring, the golden ring, from one of his companions and tossed it, and he said, "Why would any one of you go to a stone of fire and put it in his hand?" He didn't tell him softly or kindly. No, he took it off his hand and threw it on the ground. When he addressed Abdullah ibn Amr ibn al-As, may Allah be pleased with them, when he came with clothes dyed with saffron, he said, "Did your mom order you to do this?" Abdullah was shocked. He said, "Should I wash them off?" He said, "No, burn them." This type of quote-unquote harshness is to teach and to reprimand someone who is under the Prophet ﷺ, who would accept what the Prophet says ﷺ. Your harshness to someone in your level or above you would not be taken or accepted nicely. It may have consequences that are bad. It may backfire. So when someone mocks the religion, don't be harsh and you're a kafir, you're this, you're that. You lose. You did not prove a point. Everybody in the room would say, "Well, this guy is an extremist. I hope he's not from the nicest." But at the same time, don't smile and laugh on the joke. "Well, yeah, you're right, but akhi, this is mocking the religion. You shouldn't do this." No. Keep a straight face and say, "Akhi, this is disrespectful to the religion." Allah says in verse number 65 and 66 in Surah At-Tawbah, chapter 9, وَلَئِن سَأَلْتَهُمْ لَيَقُولُنَّ إِنَّمَا كُنَّا نَخُوضُ وَنَلْعَبُ. And if you were to ask them, they would say, "We were just playing around and having fun." Say, is it by Allah, by His signs, and by the Messenger ﷺ you are mocking and ridiculing? Don't apologize. You have committed kufr after iman. This is what Allah says in the Qur'an. So what you're doing is serious, akhi, be careful. That's polite. That's said with a straight face, and that is better than being harsh or rude or swearing at them and making a scene out of it.